Today I will show you how to knit fast fingerless mittens. First, rotate the racking handle to its upper position. Now raise 60 needles on each bed and place the edge springs on the last working ones. In my case, the mitten turned out to be too big, so you may raise 50 needles instead of 60. It is very stretchy and one side should fit most. If you want a perfect fit, you have to make a test piece first. Now arrange the needles in 1-to-1 division and move the edge springs on the last working ones. Set both logs to N and the stitch size to 2. Insert the orange strippers and take the main yarn. I'm using 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Now knit 1 row. Set both logs to CX and increase the stitch size to 3. Now knit 2 rows. Set both logs to N and increase the stitch size to 4. Knit 1 row to finish the cast on. Set both logs to EX. Now knit 60 rows. Set both logs to N and knit 24 rows. Set both logs to EX and knit 50 rows. Set both logs to N and knit 2 rows. Clear the row counter and set the stitch size to 2 only on the back lock. Remove the left orange stripper and insert a black one. Tell me in the comments, do you know why I have to knit the last row with different strippers? Remove the edge springs and transfer all stitches to the front bed. Then place the edge springs back on the last working needles. Raise the opposite needles on the back bed and place the edge springs on the last working ones. Rotate the racking handle clockwise to its lowest position and knit the last row. Lower the front bed and use the yellow tool to make a chain stitch cast off. Don't forget to support me by liking the video and sending me some photos on my Facebook page. Raise the front bed and remove the knitting from the machine. That is what the piece will look like. This is the cast on edge, this is the opening for the thumb, and the side with the chain stitch cast off is for the fingers. Now sew the sides using the mattress stitch, but leave a hole for the thumb. And that is the final result. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.